Claim: Did PM Modi thank people for voting in favor of India bloc in record numbers? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A screenshot in the name of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is being shared to claim that he thanked people after the first phase of polling for the Lok Sabha elections were held on 19 April 2024 and thanked them for voting India bloc in record numbers. Several claims appeared along with the screenshot. One user said, Modi ji got the exit poll numbers, which suggest that people have voted against the NDA in record numbers all across the country. This election will be tough for the NDA. However, this has taken the social media by storm when supporters and opposers took exception to such tax in India. Several memes, news reports, TV debates started airing the issue, making it to headlines on every news channel. Fact check. Truth: the claim is false. PM Modi originally thanked people for voting in record numbers for NDA, which has been altered to show as India bloc. Fact check details. As the claim has clearly given out the fact that he should be thanking people on behalf of his National Democratic Alliance, NDA, we took it up for fact-checking and found that the screenshot was altered to show India in the place of NDA. The original tweet from PM Modi is here. First phase, great response. Thank you to all those who have voted today. Getting excellent feedback from today's voting. It's clear that people across India are voting for NDA in record numbers. It clearly stated NDA and not India as per the shared screenshot shown above. Hence, the original tweet was altered to show NDA as India to create confusion among the people during the elections. Claim: After first phase of polling on 19 April 2024, PM Modi thanked people voting for India bloc in record numbers. Conclusion: the claim is false. PM Modi originally thanked people for voting in record numbers for NDA, which has been altered to show as India bloc. Rating: misleading. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, Digiti.in.
Subscribe to our channel Digiti India.